Right, so I'm just gonna check. I'm just gonna check on the pumpkin now. Check on the meat. See, that's pre-cooked. And check on the the pumpkin, yeah. So the fact that it's you see it's soft. What I normally do is take it out. What I'm gonna do, take it out and crush it. I'm gonna take out the pumpkin. Take out bits and pieces of the pumpkin. Yeah. Crush it and put it back, because the whole point of the pumpkin is to make the soup nice and rich. So you're not gonna have any old pieces of pumpkin, because the pumpkin is basically to sort of, Mother Dearest would say, thicken the soup. So you take the bits and pieces out, and yeah, most of it is smashed out anyway. So what I'm gonna do at this point is sort of, yeah, it's nice and soft. You see, it's nice and soft. So crush it out, beat it with a spoon, and then put it back into the pot. This is pumpkin soup on the way. Yep. It's getting rich. When it's finished cooking, it's gonna be nice, rich, thick and orangey in color. And that's pumpkin soup. I don't want to waste it, so I'm gonna boil the kettle and put some water. Put some water in this. Yeah. Food is too expensive to waste. So I'm gonna, yeah, every little helps. Yeah, so it's coming to come, you see? Look at that. That's just the soup. The pumpkin is crushed out, and we're leaving that to the meat is pre-cooked. Still have about another hour to go, because the meat have to be really soft, and it's lamb neck, so obviously, yeah. So at this stage, what I've done now, I've peeled carrot, chocho, potato, sweet potato, that's Irish potato, we call spud, sweet potato and yam. So I've cut them up in pieces. This is the cocoa. The cocoa, I've cut up this is the potato, and that's the chocho, the carrots, and that's the yam with the sweet potato. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is to wash this. Wash this thoroughly. Yeah. Wash that. And then put this in at this point, because I'm doing it in stages, if you know what I mean. So this is basically the chocho and the carrots. I'm gonna put this in at this point, because the pumpkin is nice and rich. Nice and rich. And you can actually put, I don't think I'm gonna put the potato in it, because that's gonna mash out. Yeah. It's all in process. It's a process. So in order to get a nice good result, look at that. see? Yeah. The soup is coming. So all that's in there now is just the lamb neck, the pumpkin, the carrot, and the chocho at that point. Alright? I think what I'll do, because this is the yam. This is the yam and the sweet potato. So I'm going to wash this. And I'm going to put that in while I'm making the dumplings. While I'm making the dumplings. Understand? Everything you have to wash. Everything. Can't just peel and put in the pot. You have to wash. The whole point of cooking, you see? Wash, 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 wash. So then I'm going to leave that for a bit. I'm going to... Oh yeah, I could actually put the... This is cocoa. Very rich ingredient for your soup. But very expensive too. I couldn't buy any more than half. Couldn't buy any more than half because it's too expensive. Can't afford it. If I was in Jamaica now, I would get this free. Just dig it up out of the ground. Dig it up out of the ground. So the soup is on the way now. So the chocho, carrots, sweet potato, and cocoa. And then I'll leave that for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to do the flour. I'm not going to put the potato in yet because it's going to crush out. Yeah? So, that's the second stage. So, the third stage, I'm going to do the flour. And then after that, I'm going to season it. And then your soup will, in another 20 minutes, it should be ready. Okay, coke.